Welcome to the official inauguration of our new office building of Bidadi Industries Association and virtual inauguration of Centralized Solid Waste Management Facility. My name is Anusha and this is my privilege to host this milestone event. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಬಿಡದಿ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ನ ನೂತನ ಕಟ್ಟಡದ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನಾ ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲೈಸ್ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿಯ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನಾ ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವಂಥ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾದಂಥ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. While we have embraced the new normal, our traditional ceremonies and cultural functions will never go out of fashion, and today's auspicious activities are a testament to that. We will begin the proceedings of the day. I call upon Sri D.K. Narasimha Bhatt, Founding Secretary, Sri K.V. Rajendra Hegde, President, BIA, Sri S. Rajendra, Vice President, BIA, and Sri A. Murali, Secretary, BIA, for the ribbon cutting. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the ribbon cutting. Kindly join you also. Sir, please. I call upon Sri D.K. Narasimha Bhatt, Founding Secretary, Sri K.V. Rajendra Hegde, President, BIA, Sri S. Rajendra, Vice President, BIA, and Sri A. Murali, Secretary, BIA, Sri Sagar Agarwal, Treasurer, BIA, for the auspicious lamp lighting ceremony.
ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಕರುನಾಡ ದೀಪ, ಸಿರಿನುಡಿಯ ದೀಪ, ಒಲವೆತ್ತಿ ತೋರುವ ದೀಪ. ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ. ಬಹುದಿನಗಳಿಂದ ಮೈಮರೆವಿಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರುವ ಕೊಡೆಯ ಕೊಚ್ಚೇವು, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ
I request, okay, we'll move further. Okay.
ಬಹುದಿನಗಳಿಂದ ಮೈಮರೆವಿಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರುವ ಕೊಳೆಯ ಕೊಚ್ಚೇವು, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಂಪು ಸೂಸಲು ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕರಣ ಚಾಚೇವು. ನಡುನಾಡೆ ಇರಲಿ ಗಡಿನಾಡೆ ಇರಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಳೆಯ ಕೆಚ್ಚೇವು. ನಡುನಾಡೆ ಇರಲಿ ಗಡಿನಾಡೆ ಇರಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಳೆಯ ಕೆಚ್ಚೇವು. ಮರೆತೇವು ಮರೆವ ತೆರೆದೇವು ಮನವ, ಎಳೆದೇವು ಒಲವ ಹಿಡಿ ನೆನಪ. ನರ ನರವನೆಲ್ಲ ಹುರಿಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಹೊಸೆದು ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ, ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ. ಕಲ್ಪನೆಯ ಕಣ್ಣು ಹರಿವನಕ ಸಾಲು, ದೀಪಗಳ ಬೆಳಕ ದೀಪದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯ ರೂಪ ಅಚ್ಚಳಿಯದಂತೆ ತೋರೇವು ಕಲ್ಪನೆಯ ಕಣ್ಣು ಹರಿವನಕ ಸಾಲು ದೀಪಗಳ ಬೆಳಕ ಬೀರೇವು ಹಚ್ಚಿರುವ ದೀಪದಲ್ಲಿ ತಾಯ ರೂಪ ಅಚ್ಚಳಿಯದಂತೆ ತೋರೇವು ಒಡಲೊಡಲ ಕೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಕಿಡಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಡಿನಾಡಿನಾಚೆ ತೂರೇವು ಒಡಲೊಡಲ ಕೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಕಿಡಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಡಿನಾಡಿನಾಚೆ ತೂರೇವು ಒಮ್ಮಿರಲು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಯದು ಭೀತಿ ನಾಡೊಲವೇ ನೀತಿ ಹಿಡಿ ನೆನಪ ಮನೆ ಮನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮನ ಮನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ನಮ್ಮವರು ಗಳಿಸಿದ ಹೆಸರುಳಿಸಲು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಗೂಡೇವು ನಮ್ಮೆದೆಯ ಮಿಡಿಯುವಿ ಮಾತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತೆಯನ್ನು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡೇವು ನಮ್ಮವರು ಗಳಿಸಿದ ಹೆಸರುಳಿಸಲು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಗೂಡೇವು ನಮ್ಮೆದೆಯ ಮಿಡಿಯುವಿ ಮಾತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತೆಯನ್ನು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡೇವು ನಮ್ಮುಸಿರು ತೀಡುವಿ ನಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಂಗಲ್ಯ ಗೀತ ಹಾಡೇವು ನಮ್ಮುಸಿರು ತೀಡುವಿ ನಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಂಗಲ್ಯ ಗೀತ ಹಾಡೇವು ತೊಳಿದೇವು ಮರುಳ ತಳೆದೇವು ಇರುಳ ಅಣೆದೇವು ತಿರುಳ ಹಿಡಿ ನೆನಪ ಕರುಳೆಂಬ ಕುಳಿಗೆ ಮಿಂಚನ್ನೆ ಮುಡಿಸಿ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ
ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಸಂಕೇತ ಅಂತ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯನ್ನ ಬೆಳಗ್ದಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಮೊದಲನೆಯ ಮಹಡಿಯತ್ತ ತೆರಳೋಣ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈಗ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಟೂರ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸ್ತೀರಾ.
Located in the heart of the sprawling acreage of Bidadi Industrial Area is the new office building of BIA, Bidadi Industries Association. BIA came into existence in 2011 and has made fast strides in developing the industrial area, catching the eye of government, industry and community alike. This facility is another crucial milestone in the development path of BIA, as it offers members an opportunity for better interaction and collaborative effort. The facility is spread across 12,400 square feet of built-up area on a land of 16,660 square feet space. The milestone building has been developed with an investment of 7.5 crore rupees. The facility is for BIA's regular operations, and members can also access all the amenities built for common use. The facility consists of the following: ground floor, BIA office. You are seeing the grand reception area, which has 2 discussion rooms and visitor seating. Now we are looking at the visual display room, where BIA focus area activities with clear progress reports will be displayed. This is a small 6-packs discussion room with display facility. Then we enter the BIA office area, accommodating 26 personnel with internet and intranet connectivity. Here, we see a state-of-the-art control room for viewing CCTV displays, where the entire industrial area can be monitored 24/7. Then comes the BIA boardroom, where the BIA think tank brainstorm on development activities. 2 cabins for use of the President and EC members and the CEO. Now we move to the first floor, which houses, on one side, a fully furnished plug-and-play office, This is also equipped with internet facility. Interested startups can use this facility for a nominal fee. What you see here is a fully furnished 30 pax conference room with video conference facility. This can be split into 2 distinct rooms with 2 conferences happening simultaneously. Next to it, an 8 pax mini conference room for small meetings and interviews. Then we will enter into a sit-out lobby and the 150 pax multi-purpose hall, which is fully furnished and equipped with a state-of-the-art audiovisual system for corporate events. Then we will move to the second floor, where there's another fully furnished plug-and-play office with internet facility. We will now move to a fully furnished cafeteria with a sound system and sun deck for mini open-air events. BIA hopes that this new facility, with all these amenities, can act as a catalyst for the much-needed fellowship, interaction and collaboration among the members of Bidadi Industries Association.
That was a beautiful virtual tour of BIA office. Up next, we have BIA's new logo unveiling. I now request Sri D.K. Narasimha Bhatt, Founding Secretary, to unveil the logo. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for BIA's new logo. BIA-ನ ಚಿಹ್ನೆಯನ್ನ ಅನಾವರಣಗೊಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ನರಸಿಂಹ ಭಟ್ ಅವರು. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಲೋಗೋವನ್ನ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಉದ್ಯಮ, ಸಮುದಾಯ, ಪರಿಸರದ ಪರಿಕಲ್ಪನೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ. ಇದು BIA new logo. Thank you so much for unveiling the logo, sir. Now I request to join for the photograph. The logo is beautifully designed by keeping industry, community, and environment concept. The logo is developed and dedicated to all the members of Bidadi Industries Association. Thank you so much, sir, and I request all the dignitaries to move to multipurpose hall and to occupy the dais. Now we are about to start the event of virtual inauguration of centralized solid waste management facility. I now request Sri A. Murali, Honorable Secretary, BIA, for the welcome address.
Ladies and gentlemen, respected members and friends, Shubhodaya, Ellarigu Namaskaralu, good morning. Today is a special day for many of us. Dreams do not come true very often. Today, few of our dreams have become a reality. I, and on behalf of Bidadi Industries Association, extend a warm and hearty welcome to all of you. We have the best wishes and blessings of our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Dr. Ashwath Narayan, Honorable Minister of Large and Medium Scale Industries, Mr. Jagdish Shettar, and Honorable MLA of Magadi constituency, Mr. A. Manjunath. In view of their constitutional responsibilities and enforcement of the Code of Conduct in Karnataka State, due to impending by-elections, they have sought leave of absence today. They would have been present with us otherwise happily. We have with us Mr. Vikram Kirloskar, Vice Chairman, Toyota Kirloskar Motor Private Limited, We have also in our midst Mrs. Gunjan Krishna, IAS, Commissioner of Industries and Commerce Department, Government of Karnataka, and Dr. Shiv Shankar, IAS, Executive Member and Chief Executive Officer, Karnataka Industrial Areas Development Board. Also present are Mr. Saumitra Bhattacharya, Managing Director, Bosch Limited, and President, Bosch Group in India, and Mr. Shekhar Vishwanathan, Vice Chairman and Whole-Time Director, Toyota Kirloskar Motor Private Limited. We heartily welcome them to this August gathering. Our founding secretary, Mr. D.K. Narasimha Bhatt, and former Managing Director of Toyota Technopark Private Limited, who is present today, is our chief guest. We welcome you, sir. Any association needs to have the strong backing of its ardent members. Our nearly 200 member industries have been wanting and waiting to be present in today's function. Considering the COVID-19 protocols, we thought it apt to relay the function live to all of you. Our member industries are represented by the top managements and their colleagues in office who are present in this function virtually. I welcome each one of them with folded hands. I also welcome my President, Mr. Rajendra Hegde, Vice President, Mr. S. Rajendra, Treasurer, Mr. Sagar Agarwal, and my fellow colleagues in the Executive Committee who have immensely contributed by sparing their valuable time for the association's cause, growth, and betterment. Without their vision, futuristic outlook, active and selfless involvement, we would not have been seen the light of this day in these challenging times. The association, which gave birth in 2011, took quantum jump in its strides since 2015 by formation of the Special Purpose Group. The Special Purpose Group has put its heart and soul in making the lives of our member industries business-friendly and promoting ease of doing business, mainly focusing on relationship management with various stakeholders such as government, fellow member industries, and nearby large community of villages nearby by maintaining the industrial area clean, safe, and a very nice place to work. This state-of-the-art building, built at a cost of 7.5 crore, 75 million Indian rupees, stands tall and is testimony for all their toilings and brings in a profound hope of seamless co-working and coexistence amongst all of us in the long run. The infrastructure created can be used not only for the association's office, but also caters to supporting initiatives such as smart city projects, Startup India, Digital India, and promoting incubation centers, centers of excellence through its readily available plug-and-play offices and well-equipped meeting rooms. This office will also be used for the industrial growth of Ramanagara district by various stakeholders in the years to come. I welcome all the members of the Special Purpose Group who have played a very crucial role for today's events. The centralized solid waste management plant, built at a cost of rupees 5.5 crore, rupees 55 million, will also be inaugurated virtually today, which will be a baby step in our endeavor towards the cause of the environment and the society at large. The experience that we gain from operating the plant will inspire us to take many more challenges in our stride towards protecting environment, recycle, and reuse of waste. This plant will usher in environmental awareness in the local community, member industries, and more importantly, college and school students who are going to be the future of our country. So I extend my heartfelt greetings to the team that made this vision possible and welcome them too to this auspicious function. To make all our dreams come true, we need your continued support from everybody in this room and beyond. I welcome and thank you all for this memorable day and our great future at Bidadi Industrial Area. Please stay safe, stay healthy. Vandanagalu, namaskara. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the wonderful welcome address. I now request Sri Vikram Kirloskar, Vice Chairman, Toyota Kirloskar Motor Private Limited, to deliver his keynote address.
Good morning, respected dignitaries. Ms. Gunjan Krishna, Honorable Commissioner for Industrial Development and Director, Department of Industries and Commerce, Government of Karnataka. Dr. N. Shiv Shankar, Honorable CEO and EM, KIDB, Mr. Soumitra Bhattacharya, Managing Director Bosch and President of Bosch Group in India, Mr. Shekhar Vishwanath, Vice Chairman and Whole-Time Director of TKML, Executive Committee members of BIA, and esteemed industry members. On the occasion of the inauguration event of the new BIA office building and the centralized solid waste management facility of BIA, I feel elated to greet all the stakeholders, dignitaries, and guests and extend my hearty wishes to all. It is exciting to watch BIA in its journey towards its stated destination of making the Bidadi industrial area the most admired industrial area, a robust organization with active support from member industries, government, and community. Major developments under the stewardship of BIA in a short period have been development of critical infrastructure, upkeep and maintenance of roads, street lights, and common area, 24/7 surveillance through security patrol and CCTV cameras, waste management, general aesthetics, and beautification. For sustainability, BIA has developed a robust but inclusive revenue model to accommodate the vast cross-section of industry. BIA's unique model of a unified CSR has contributed to keeping harmony with the surrounding community, which is helping industries to have uninterrupted operations. The government has noticed this unique development vision, mission, and performance by the BIA and has sought support from BIA to present the model to other associations. Due to these developments, more businesses are starting their operations in the Bidadi industrial area. Karnataka government's recent unveiling of a roadmap to make the state a preferred investment destination will provide added impetus to start a new operation in this area. The foundational factors to achieving global sustainable competitiveness in manufacturing are good product quality at the source, zero defect, 100% delivery, sustainable supply chain, adequate skilled human resource at an optimal cost, and of course, good and excellent corporate governance. Cost competitive but efficient infrastructure is a must, and most of all, mutual trust and respect between government, corporates, and society. While the first of the above are industry specific, the last two are common scope and hence provide a role for BIA to liaise with the government, tailored to the needs of Bidadi industrial area, which BIA is sharply focusing on. On this occasion of the inauguration of the new office building of BIA, I dedicate the facility to its members for enhanced member interaction with shared resources. The multipurpose hall, meeting conference rooms with AV facilities, and the plug-and-play offices helps in offering a common use benefit for small industries. Solid waste facility helps small industries adhere to compliance norms as well as a great help to community in general. I thank all the industries here for contributing their CSR funds, which will benefit the community and all stakeholders. I also, of course, thank the government of Karnataka, who really enabled us a few years ago when we started this. They took this idea of having a self-governed body for an industrial area very seriously and supported us, the industries and community, for joining hands with BIA in this wonderful journey. My sincere thanks to all of you for your patient listening.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable and motivational speech. Certainly, we will take forward BIA as intended. I now request Shri K.V. Rajendra Hegde, Honorable President of BIA, to enlighten us on everything we need to know about BIA. Please welcome Shri K.V. Rajendra Hegde.
Very good morning to all of you. Indeed, it is my pleasure today to be associated with this function, the dream which we had set probably 5 years back. Today we are inaugurated the new office building as well as the solid waste management setup, which we initially thought that very much required for any association to function properly. Today I will briefly explain our journey, how we started this program, and what is our achievement as Bidadi Industries Association with the help of all our members. The basic objective of this Bidadi Industries Association to run smooth business operations of all our industries and to do the business harmoniously aligned with the environment issues, and finally to become a most admired industrial area within the state. With these three objectives in mind, we started this journey, and we have divided our particular activities into 5 major pillar areas. One is Industry Connect, Government Connect, Estate Management, Community Connect, and Safety and Environment. Why we have divided these into 5 pillars? Because in most of the cases, we lose focus on each area. As an association, it is very much essential, these 5 pillars, if it functions properly, industries will prosper very well. Ultimately, our aim is to become the best industrial area. To meet that objective, we started this journey. Considering particularly when we started our journey initially in 2011, we registered as an association, and 2015, we started this special purpose group, a group of people, passionate people now currently who have been working, and with the support of the industry, and they have deputed their full-time members to this association. Concept is very clear. We need to operate to have a seamless infrastructure. The sustenance is the key for this. Industries need to concentrate on their business. Convert association into an organization. These are the 2-3 areas actually which we mentioned. As I mentioned, becomes the key. The concept is very clear. No industries can survive or do the business without the support of the government, community, and the industry members. So this 3-dimensional approach which we started and move towards achieving our most admired industrial area. What will happen with this 3-dimensional approach? Industries will prosper. They can do hassle-free business. That is the very much required in the current scenario. For government, association act as a single window agency, and they can interact with this association and resolve many issues of the industries. And this also can be showcased to the industries or the investors, and actually you can attract more and more investments. However, the final aspect of community, how it is benefit to the community, because the concept of the unified CSR activity, wherein now all the CSRs we meet every month and decide the program for our industries, communities, and the government. So that all this 3-dimensional approach finally help community to prosper, because as and when industry do well, the budget can be allocated more for the community development activities. We started journey in 15-16 as an humble association, and we started with a database creation, membership drive process, sponsor from industry. We took a lot of help from the industries at the initial stage, and we created our own WhatsApp group. So almost all the low-hanging the activities we started. Then 16-17, the Bidadi Industries total industrial area has been handed over to us with a separate MOU to manage and maintain, which we took over. And also the water management. Most of the industries, including Coca-Cola and Toyota, requires water for the home consumption, which actually now currently we are managing. And the concept of unified CSR we started. And also the property tax issues of the industries. As a common body, we actually started negotiating with the local bodies, and we fixed the local property taxes. Similarly, from the government's perspective, we also started accounting and the auditing process within the organization. Now 17 to 20, this is basically a stabilization period wherein our dream of having our own office, today it has come true. We are now moved to the new office, And we also started the 24/7 the patrolling services within the industrial area. And we have already installed almost 65 to 70 CCTV cameras, which can be controlled and monitored from this facility, what is happening over there. We also started creating a revenue model wherein actually sustenance of the Bidadi Industries Association is very important. And the third and the final very important the request from the government of Karnataka is that please replicate this model in other associations or other industrial areas. Towards that, we started showcasing our activity, how actually we are able to manage this association very professionally. So that also started yielding good results. Finally, we have a final destination we need to reach in next 2 to 3 years' time to become a most admired industrial area. We need to have a common amenity center, ambulance services, police outpost within the industrial area, fire station, and because ours is a manufacturing industrial area, we need to have parking facility for trucks. And we are also planning to have a health center for all industrial workers within the industrial area. And finally, we wanted to make this as an admired industrial area. We have our executive committee members representing various sectors of the industries. We have totally around 12 to 13, supported by our founding secretary, Mr. Narsim Bhatt and Kurtukoti. They are our special advisors for our executive committee. As I mentioned earlier, the unique concept which you cannot see in any other the industrial association is that the special purpose group. We formed this after benchmarking many other associations wherein the members of the industry, full-time employees of the industries have been deputed to Bidadi Industries Association to work for a tenure of 3 years, and on a rotation basis, these employees will go back and new batch of people come. The objective here is to focus more on the developmental activity, industry, the connect activities, community connect activities, as well as have a good liaison with the government bodies. With this concept it started giving a good result. I really appreciate the SPG members and the industries who have deputed them for this purpose. Under the Industry Connect pillar, regularly we have outreach program wherein we actually listen to the concerns of the members, and depending upon their concerns, we organize meeting with various bodies, communities, district administration, BESCOM, police, like that. So far, actually, in the current year, 6 outreach program organized and 350 members participated. We also, as I mentioned earlier, to showcase this activity as per the request of the state government, particularly the Chief Secretary's initiative, we started explaining this model of special purpose group, and almost 13 industrial associations, we explained this model and briefed them how actually this can benefit the industries, community, and the government. Now, already 3 associations have been incorporated similar model with our guidance. When we started this journey, we had around 48 members only. After seeing the effort of the SPG and the association, now currently we have almost 180 plus members operating in this area. Our objective as an association is to facilitate all industries to smooth functionally. They should grow, they should prosper together. That is the main objective of this association. Under the government activity, I would wholeheartedly thank the government of Karnataka, KADB, and Industries Commerce. Some of the development would have not been possible without their support. We can, to mention some of the road conditions which is in the left side, now currently last 3 to 4 years, how we could able to develop is very clearly visible. Government of Karnataka again supported us and pumped in almost 51 million rupees in last 5 years in development of this industrial area. To show our gesture, we also as an association has given around 10 million rupees in developmental activities, put together almost We have spent 60 crore rupees in this journey. Association has given around 10 crores. We also started the feeder services for industrial workers on an hourly basis. This transportation arrangement is made within the Bidadi industrial area. Under estate management, I think one thing I would like to re-emphasize here, for small activities, if you go on depending on the government, nothing will move. So with that concept, what we started, we took over all the maintenance which hitherto was maintained by KADB. We started maintaining our, with the help of our SPG, we started maintaining the road. We have established the public toilets for the particularly contract workers, drain cleaning, establishing bus shelters, creating footpaths, and daily cleaning of the industrial area. Further, today what we have inaugurated, we have established this office building. Basically, this will help all industries who can make use of this and use of our facilities like the auditoriums, conference rooms, etc. And we also created a plug-in office system wherein if any new industries want to start their business, initially they will not have their office. They can make use of their office, we will provide food, and we make all arrangements so that they can start their business smoothly with the help of Bidadi Industries Association. With that concept, this whole building has been constructed. Our new office building, now which we have inaugurated, we have multiple what you call the discussion rooms, board rooms, plug-in office system, which I already mentioned, for 150 packs of the auditorium, and we have conference room, we have cafeteria. It is a full-fledged office and particularly dedicated to the members of Bidadi industrial area. Community Connect activity is one of the key, because no industries can survive without the community, because we have been using their resources, water, land, everything. So with that concept, we started coined a new term called Unified CSR activity, wherein actually the BIA works as a nucleus, and with the help of all the industries, we have started this journey, basically to have a harmonious business atmosphere, enhance the image of the companies, brand building, and finally, socio-economic development of the community. So we have taken over almost 49 villages around Ramnagara district and started developing it. And some of the glimpses that we have constructed, CSCs, lake regeneration, schools, and the common area cleaning. The laundry list is so long, which because of the time available, I will not be in a position to mention. As of now, last 4 years, with the help of all industries and their support, we could able to spend almost 66 crore rupees for the community development in the surrounding area within the Ramnagara districts. I think this is one good milestone which we need appreciation. Some of the, and due to the COVID pandemic, most of the industries suffered, like the socio-economic development also stopped. But however, as Bidadi Industries Association, as a good gesture, we started supporting the district administration in releasing the food kits, as well as the medicines, masks, sanitizers, creating beds for the district health center, etc. So far, and also we have contributed to the Chief Minister Relief Fund. See, totally almost 10 crore rupees has been spent in last 6 months for COVID-related activities. Safety and environment is very important, because the protection of environment is the top priority. Similarly, association is also actually focusing on that area. Now, so far, as far as the safety is concerned, everywhere in Bidadi industrial area, we have erected safety boards. We have installed CCTV cameras. Across, we can control and monitor. And all our sodium vapor have been converted into LED lamps so that we can save and contribute to the environment. And road signages. We also established the traffic signals. And more than 45,000 samplings have been planted in the surrounding Bidadi industrial area, so that actually we can contribute to the environment. We also have 24/7 patrolling services within the industrial area. Ultimately, all these things is yielding to the reduction in accident within the industrial area. Now, currently, it is very minimal. Important, which we had a dream that all the industries should have a common solid waste management setup. With the help of Government of Karnataka, we could able to establish, we have purchased around 2 acres of land in common amenities land, and this is a state-of-art setup wherein every day we can segregate and the process around 15 tons of waste of the industries what they are generated. In a phase 1, we have started for the small industries and the medium industries. Also keeping the community in mind, the villages which has attached to this industrial area, around 10 villages, there the waste also we are collecting and we will be actually disposing in a very scientific way. For community it is free of cost, but however for industries we charge minimal amount, and that also has been inaugurated today. I am really happy to announce that. Thank you very much for patient listening. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for enlightening us on BIA activities. Now we are on the verge of inaugurating another milestone project of BIA. Shri D.K. Narasimha Bhatt. He is a veteran in the industry and reached the pinnacle of his career as he was managing director of Toyota Techno Park. His inputs and ideas are functional to bring BIA. Now I request our Shri D.K. Narasimha Bhatt, Founding Secretary, to officially inaugurate Centralized Solid Waste Management Facility. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the virtual inauguration of Centralized Solid Waste Management Facility.
Welcome to the Centralized Solid Waste Management Facility, CSWM, of BIA, Bidadi Industries Association, located in Phase 2 of the Bidadi Industrial Area. To overcome the garbage menace, BIA carried out a detailed survey through Sahas Zero Waste. As per recommendation, BIA initiated the process for the setting up of a central solid waste management facility. In the process, KIADB allotted land to BIA. BIA acquired the land and established a 10,000 square foot facility with the help of member industries who generously contributed through their CSR. The facility houses a solid waste sorter, baling machine, an organic waste composter with pulverizer, and related machinery and equipment. Waste is of 2 categories: dry and wet, non-industrial and non-hazardous municipal waste. The facility would be able to process 10 metric tons of dry waste and 5 metric tons of wet waste per day, with future expansion plans for the benefit of the community and the industries in the Bidadi industrial area. We thank all the facility contributors for their generous help and support.
Thank you, sir, for inaugurating Centralized Solid Waste Management Facility. Thank you so much. I now request Shri Soumitra Bhattacharya, Managing Director, Bosch Limited and President, Bosch Group in India, to deliver the guest of honor speech.
Dear colleagues, it's a wonderful opportunity to thank you all for this great moment where we open the Bidadi Industries Association new office, or in short called BIA. Along with that, the Central Solid Waste Management Facility, which is also being opened. For me, it's a very fond recollection when Bosch came to Bidadi. Bosch started talking with Toyota Kirloskar, where it had BIA, and how we could participate and have collaboration. What has happened in the journey is obsessive collaboration.